This video is a walkthrough of the CSE564 Visualization Assignment 1, and I am Vibhor Shukla here to present the demo. The dataset chosen for this assignment is avocado prices in US markets. So let us start the visualization. Here we can see that there is a left subsection and there is a center subsection. On the left part, we have visual analytics option, and on below we have the view avocado dataset option. And right at the bottom, we have an exit button. On clicking on choose a feature button, we are presented with a list of features, 15 in number, and they are marked as categorical and numerical respectively. So let us pick city as the feature for categorical representation. On clicking city, and since it is a categorical feature, we are presented with a bar chart. It has a title which shows the relationship between the y and the x component. It has a y label on the y-axis. It has a y marker. It has an x label and an x marker. Also, it has the names of the cities which are presented at an angle. On hovering on a bar, we can see that the width of the bar is increased and it is a bit higher than the original position. There's a red line which shows the Y marker for this Columbus city, and there is a tooltip which shows the value of at X at this point and the frequency of that X. Here it is Columbus and 99. Let us select another feature and preferably a numerical feature. We select price and hence we are presented with a histogram. Again, it has a title, a Y label, an X label, a Y marker and an X marker, along with the Y axis ticks and the X axis ticks. Since it is a histogram, we can adjust the number of bins as required by the user, and hence we have a slider at the bottom. Again, on hovering on a bar, we can see that the width of the bar has increased and the height of the bar has increased. Again, we have a red line which shows the frequency at this particular range. The tooltip contains the information of the range of X component and the value at Y component. Here we have a drag facility available, in which on pressing the left mouse button and moving towards the left, the number of bins increase, as is visible by the slider at the bottom. On again dragging to the right, we can see that it has dragged the histogram and the number of bins are reducing. The same functionality can be made by using the slider. Clicking on the slider and moving to the right, the number of bins are reducing, and vice versa, moving towards the left, the number of bins are increasing. This drag facility is available only in the graphical area, and this cannot be done on any other area outside this graph. The second option is viewing the avocado dataset, which is basically a representation of the CSV file. Here we can have the columns on the top along with the number of rows at the bottom. There is also a statistics section that shows the number of rows and the number of columns in this particular dataset. We can scroll down and see that the number of rows are 1000 in number. Going back to the visual analytics section, we can see that the menu has a transition option available, in which the options are collapsed in a transition manner with a delay of 1 second. Upon hovering on the options, they are made with a background of white. Now let us go through each and every feature. This is the type feature, which shows accounts of avocado grown with a given type. This is the year feature, which shows accounts of avocados sold from 2015 to 2020. This is the city feature, which we have already seen. This is the rating feature, which is a categorical feature. It shows the avocado rating from 1 to 10 as a fruit given by the markets. Major size feature. Population feature. Again, it is a population range of cities where the avocado markets dataset was picked up from. Price feature we have already seen. This is the total volume feature. This has a slider. We are dragging it towards the left, which increases the number of bins. Total bags feature, which is the frequency of avocado bags bought in a given range bag count. The total number of rows is 1000, which is clarified by the frequency. This is the frequency of avocado size that has an ID of PLU 4046, which are sold, and their frequencies respectively. This is the avocado size with ID PLU 4225. This is a small bags feature, which shows the frequency of avocado bags which are small in size bought in a given range of bag count. Again, the frequency of avocado bags which are large in size, which are bought in a given range of bag count. And finally, this is the last numerical feature, which is the X large bags feature, the bags with the size of X large. In the end, we have the exit button, which will make us come out of this visualization tool and into a final page, which says, thank you for using the visual analytics tool. And there is a link in which we can go back to the first index page. Thank you. This is the demo for the assignment 1 of CSE564 visualization. Thank you for viewing it.